Hey, welcome back. This lesson, we're going to check to see who the winner is of the dice roll. So creating another method within our constructor object using the method, and we're going to create a brand new function. And in this function, we're going to take in a few parameters. So we need roll 1 and roll 2, so we have some values that we can use to make the comparison. So checking to see if roll 1 is greater than roll 2, we know that the winner of this is going to be being returned back player wins, assuming that the first one is the player that's being passed in. And then also we'll do another check to see if roll 2 is greater than roll 1. So there can only really be 3 possibilities, so return, and this means that the computer wins. And again, we're hoping that roll 1 is for the player, roll 2 is for the computer. And if that changes, then of course you do need to change and adjust your messaging. And if we don't have one winning over the other, then this is just simply a tie. So we'll return back a tie. So now we've got a way to check, and we're not going to see anything quite different yet. And that means that we need to check to see who the winner is. So let's use the game object and the brand new checker method that we just created, and taking in the player role and then also the computer role. And remember, it does have to be in that order, and I'll console log out whatever is being returned from winner. So let's see what happens. So roll here, player wins. Roll again, computer wins. And we should also output those values. So let's take dice, and we're going to update that message so that, again, for those of us that are sharing the game or don't like to look into the console to see what the values are, let's output that and say player, and we'll get the value of the player role versus, and then this is the computer role, and that means that whatever the value of winner is, we'll just output that message. It's a very simple message here, and we see player 6 versus 1, so the computer got a 1. And we could also output as well computer. So let's try that again. So player 5 versus computer 5, so that's a tie game. Player 5 versus computer 3, so that means the player wins. Another tie, and this time player got a 4 versus computer 5, so that means the computer wins. So now we've got a quick little functioning game. Have some fun with it. Try it out.